Hi athletes, this video is all about MyPAHL's built-in trackers. These trackers are designed to help you keep track of your goals and highlight your improvements. On the left side of your dashboard, you will see the taskbar. Scroll down and click on Trackers. Here you will see the trackers library, which includes all of the built-in trackers that MyPAHL has to offer. You can add as many trackers as you would like. For this video, we are going to add the weight tracker. Click the tracker to add it to your library. Then click Start Tracking. The system asks you, what is your preferred unit of weight? Here I have chosen pounds. Then click Next. Here the system is asking you what weight you would like to be. I'm going to input 140 pounds. Then click Next. Then the system will ask you what you weigh today. Input your weight here. Then click Complete. Here I've received 25 points for creating this tracker and tracking my weight. The system also lets you know how close you are to achieving your goal. You can also set a reminder in MyPAHL so that you receive an email from Best Life Rewarded reminding you to update your tracker. Click on Set a Reminder and choose how often you'd like to receive an email. You can either be daily, weekly, or monthly. Here I've chosen daily. You receive an additional 25 points for setting a reminder for each tracker. If you forget to track something one day, don't worry. You can use your arrows in your tracker library to scroll back to the days you missed and input your information. Here I'll input my weight from yesterday. To add more trackers, go to the top of the page and click the plus sign. You can add as many trackers as you would like and log your progress each day to earn 25 points per tracker. Follow these steps for as many trackers as you like. The more you track, the more you will learn about your health patterns, and the easier it will be to see what you need to improve on. Plus, each time you track your progress, you earn points and can use your points to bid on items in the reward store. Getting healthier has never been more rewarding. Let's get fit together.